So today we will continue with our topic AP, arithmetic progress. Today we will learn about finding AN, how we can find AN. If A is given, D is given and N is given, how to find AN? So first of all write A is equal to 7, D is equal to 3, N is equal to 8 and AN we have to find out. So this type of question generally came in the exams for 2 marks or 3 marks. So let us see, these are very simple. We have to put just formula of AN. Write the formula of finding AN. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now put the values of all. A, N ਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਭਰਨਾ ਆਪਾਂ 8, A is 7, now N is 8 and D is 3. After simplification we get 7 plus 21, that is 28. Therefore A8 is equal to 28 answer. Like this you can solve other sum also. So in this next sum we will see how to find the missing term. If the following AP is given, find the missing term. So I am taking two sum, so I will solve one by one. First and we solve the sum number first. 2 block 26. The second term we don't know, so start it. First of all A1 is equal to A is equal to 2. Now A2. Here also again formula is same, that is AN. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now A2 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1 into D. Next A3 we get here A plus D is equal to block. We don't know. A3 is equal to A plus 2D we get is equal to 26. This one is given. So A1 A is equal to 2 we have given. In A2 is equal to A plus D is equal to block. That is came A, put the value of A, that is 2 plus D we don't know is equal to block. Give this equation number 2. Again A3 is equal to A plus 2D is equal to 23. Give this equation by number 3. So now we see we have 3 equations, equation number 1, 2 and 3. Now we have to see in which equation we will put the value so that we can find D. If we find D, then we can find this block also. So put the value, we solve the value D from equation 3. So next we write from equation 3, here A is 2 plus 2D is equal to 26. So 2D is equal to 26 minus 2. 2D is equal to 24. So D is equal to 24 over 2. After simplification we get 12. D is equal to 12. So now put the value of D in the equation 2, we get the value of the given block. So now from we can write here from equation 2, 2 plus 12 is equal to 14. So like this we can find the missing term. Therefore we can write AP series. Therefore AP series is 2, 14, 26. This 14 is the missing term. The problem number 2. In this case we have 2 blocks. A1 is equal to A. First term itself we don't know. give the number is 1. Now A2 is equal to A plus D is equal to 13, and A3 is equal to A plus 2D, again it is block. A4 is equal to A plus 3D is equal to 3. So give the number 2, 3, 4. So now we see, we do know the value of A and we don't know the value of D. So we have to find A and D, then only we can find the missing term. So see how we can find this A and D from the given equation. So take equation number 2 and 4. Equation number 2 and 4. So right here, equation 4 minus equation 2 give us A plus 3D is equal to 3, A plus D is equal to 13. So we have to subtract it, sign change. After simplification we get 2D is equal to minus 10, or D is equal to minus 10 over 2 is equal to minus 15. So what we get? D, value of D is equal to minus 5. Value of D is equal to minus 5. So put the value of D in equation 2. Put D is equal to minus 5 in equation 2. What we get? A minus 5 is equal to 13. Therefore A is equal to 13 plus 5. A is equal to 18. We get A is equal to 18. So now see, we get value of D and value of A. So now we can fill the block easily. First of all, we fill the block, first one, A1, that is A. How much we get? That is 18. So therefore we get A is equal to 18. Next, A1, A2, A3. The value of A3. A3 we have to find out now. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. A is 18 plus 2, D is minus 5. So 18 minus 10 we get 8. So we get required AP as first term is 18, first term is 18, second 13, third 8, and fourth one is 3. So two missing term we have, find 18 and 8. So like this you can find number of missing term, and rest some you try yourself. Thank you. So next topic is, which term of AP is 78, या anything we whichever number we have given. In this case 3, 8, 13 dash 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 is 78. तो आप ये करना भी कितनी रकम जाके 78 बनेगी. So how we can find it? First of all, we start with first term, that is A1, A is equal to 3. Next we find common difference, D is equal to second term minus first term. Second term is 8, first term is 3. What we get? 5. So after that, what we have given? The last term we have given. So we apply a formula here. We know that AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So put the value of AN. AN is 78, last term. So here we can write AN is also given, that is 78. Then A is 3 plus N is not given. D how much we have find? That is 5. So So next 78 is equal to 3 plus 5n minus 5. 78 is equal to 5n minus 2. 78 plus 2 is equal to 5n. 80 is equal to 5n. Therefore, n is equal to 80 over 5. After simplification we get 16. So, what we have find that 16th term will be 78. So, like this we can find any term. So, what we have to do, just understand, first of all we start with a1, first term. First term is a1, a is equal to, we write that term, first term. After that common difference, find the common difference by using the formula second term minus first term, and whatever is given here you write that in last term an is also given, an is equal to 78. After that we have to apply the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now put the given values here. After simplification you get n, that nth term is yours 78, like whichever n value of n you get here. In this case 16th term will be 78. So you can check it by putting the value like this. What is the common difference is 5. So you can say first value 3, second 8, third 13, next going on adding 5 because difference is 5, 18, 23, 28, 33, 38, 43, 48, 53, 58, 63, 68, 73 and 78. So note it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 term has to be 78. So here we get n is 16. So our sum is correct. Like this you can check your sum also.